Thanks. More details tonight in a story brought you as breaking news at 6. Fort Myers police are looking for clues after a woman is found dead in an apartment off of Seminole Avenue and Veronica Shoemaker. And they say there were young kids in the home when they got there. We join now Fox 4's Rochelle Aline live at the Cypress Courts make that Fort Myers Police headquarters for the latest at this hour and what you've learned, Rochelle, about the case.
You know, Jen, I have to say, after being at that scene for hours, it was really heartbreaking being out there, especially with this news coming so soon after Thanksgiving. I want to share with you what we know at this point. Fort Myers police tell us that a woman in her 30s is dead. She was found dead in an apartment at the Cypress Courts Apartment complex. They say they were tipped off to the case after getting a call around 1 o'clock this afternoon about a woman in distress. They also tell us that when they got inside the apartment, they found that woman's 4 young kids inside the home with her. Those kids have been placed with a relative with the Department of Children and Families. They're also telling us at this point they're not entirely sure how she died or when she died, but they are calling her death suspicious. I spoke to a sergeant who leads the FMPD homicide unit, and she told us that this is the mindset her unit uses when investigating cases like this.
We couldn't change what happened, but we can change what happens from here forward, and we can hopefully bring some peace to the families.
And FMPD also tells us that at this point they do not have anybody in custody in connection to this woman's death. Jane?
Rochelle, we've heard a lot of rumors flying out there tonight and about the woman's death from neighbors and the possible cause.
That's right. I actually spoke to over 5 different people, and we heard 2 main rumors from neighbors out there tonight. The first one is that multiple people have told us that the woman's body was sitting in that home for at least 2 days, possibly longer. And the second rumor we heard out there was that neighbors feel that somebody else had a hand in that woman's death. But FMPD again says so far nobody has been arrested in connection to this case, and they're currently waiting on the medical examiner to determine when that woman died and how she died. For now in Fort Myers, Rochelle Aline, Fox 4.